Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sangria with red wine. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one standard bottle of dry red wine, like a Garnacha or Tempranillo, which provides a wonderful base. Next, prepare 1/4 cup of brandy or orange liqueur to add a delightful kick. Don't forget 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, select a variety of fresh fruits, such as oranges, apples, and lemons, for that vibrant, refreshing taste. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the fruit. Begin by thoroughly washing all your fresh produce. Then, carefully slice 1 orange, 1 apple, and 1 lemon into thin, attractive rounds. It's a good idea to remove any seeds from these slices to ensure a pleasant drinking experience. Feel free to get creative here. You can also include other seasonal fruits like peaches, strawberries, or even a handful of blueberries to customize your sangria to your liking. With your fruit prepped, it's time to combine everything into a delicious sangria. In a large pitcher, add your sliced fruits and the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Gently muddle them for about 30 seconds. This helps release the natural fruit juices and infuse the sugar. Next, pour in the full bottle of red wine and the 1/4 cup of brandy or orange liqueur. Finally, add the 1/2 cup of orange juice and give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. The final, crucial step is chilling your sangria to perfection. Cover your pitcher and place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. Ideally, let it chill overnight. This extended period allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious drink. When you're ready to serve, pour the sangria over ice into individual glasses. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice, and then simply enjoy your homemade, refreshing red wine sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.